What's up everybody, Tim here with Ethos Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up our premium foam cannon to this pressure washer, and we're going to wash this red Tesla and have a foam party. Alright guys, so we have our foam cannon here set up with our foam party foam cannon soap. If you watched our last video, which I'll put the link up in the description here, how to set up your foam cannon, we've already done that, so it's ready to go. We fill out a reservoir here with 1,000 milliliters of water. I like putting the water in before the soap. If you put the soap in before the water and fill it up, you get suds coming out. So I want to work smarter, not harder here. With a measuring glass, we're going to put about 3.5 ounces of our foam party in the foam cannon. This will give you a really thick amount of suds, so you can give a really good job cleaning the car. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now you can adjust your foam to soap ratio if you want a thicker soap or thicker foam. Add more soap. If you want a thinner mixture or you're just trying to conserve more product, you can use less soap. I find about 3.5 ounces is perfect for a foam party. I like a thicker suds so that this will give me the thickest foam possible. Just gonna mix it here in our reservoir. I'm gonna put these off to the side, and we're gonna take our apparatus. We're gonna screw it on the top here. It has a thread. All you got to do is just hand tighten it. You don't want to over tighten this and over torque it to where you have an issue. You can strip the threads. You have your 1/4 inch male adapter, which will work perfectly on the tip of our pressure washer. So what we're going to do is take our 1/4 inch adapter, slide it onto the pressure washer. It's going to hook into place, and we're ready to go. The pressure washer's already on, so we should be ready to start shooting the foam. I'm going to dial this in. Let's do a thicker foam setting to start. Maybe the pressure washer isn't on.
A few moments later.
All right, now the pressure washer is good to go, ready to start foaming. So we're gonna go ahead and turn up the foam. As you can see, you can adjust the nozzle based on how much foam you want. If you want a really wide nozzle or narrow. So you can adjust how much foam you want coming out of the cannon using the adjustable. So I have it on the max foam setting. You can also dial it down if you want less soap coming out. This will just determine how much soap you're using for the reservoir. So adjust it all to your liking. I like a heavy foam and a kind of a medium spray nozzle on this. Gives me some good versatility. All right, so the way I typically use the foam cannon with foam party when I'm going to wash a vehicle is I'll do initial foam of the vehicle. That's to remove any type of loosened contaminants, dirt, dust, debris, that kind of thing. I foam the whole car, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Really let the soap, let the foam party do its thing of pulling the contaminants off the car. I'll rinse it, so I'll put the nozzle back on the pressure washer, rinse the car down, and then I'll do another set of foam before I actually do a contact wash. So put the foam cannon back on, refill the reservoir, and I'll actually do another foam of the vehicle and do a hand wash. That way I know that when I'm actually touching the car with a wash mitt, I'm removing any type of contaminants beforehand to remove and reduce the risk of scratching. So that's what I personally like to do. Some people will just foam the whole car down and then take a wash mitt to it at that point. I just like being extra cautious, something I've always done. So as you can see, the pressure washer hooks up really easily to the foam cannon. This whole process really makes your cleaning and car washing process not only enjoyable, but much more effective. I do recommend, if you haven't invested in a pressure washer and a foam cannon yet, to look forward to doing so. It does a really good job of producing foam on the car. I do recommend also the foam party is designed specifically for the aeration effect of a pressure washer foam cannon. It's really what gives it that thick amount of shaving cream-like foam on there. It works the best in a pressure washer. So there you have it, guys. Our premium foam cannon hooked up to a pressure washer with our foam party cannon soap makes a fantastic car washing process. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. We come out with a ton of content related to car care. any type of detailing topic. If you have any questions, please leave it below. I'm happy to answer them. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.